In one house, two legends, one eternal rivalry.
I protect this house. I bark at strangers. I am loyal. And when the human is sad, I comfort them.
You bark at the wind. I rule this house without moving. The human feeds you. The human worships me.
At least I don't knock things off tables.
That is called interior design.
You sleep all day.
I conserve energy for midnight zoomies.
I am man's best friend.
I am man's superior.
But in the end, they both want snacks. Choose wisely.